Let's get the mechanical solver to determine the primary unknowns at the nodes. The software can assemble a system of equations in terms of the displacements at each node in our mesh. Using the boundary conditions indicated previously, the system can be inverted to find the displacement at each node. If mechanical is not already open, double-click Solution in the Workbench window. In mechanical, generating the solution is as simple as selecting it in the tree and clicking Solve in the top bar. Once the process completes, we can see that we received no warnings, so the solution process was successful. Make sure to save your project.